discussing about the common pediatric complaint seen during winter season. The most common complaints are cough, cold, followed by fever, nose block, earache, and extremely dry skin. Few red flags that we should keep in mind are persistent fever between 101 and 103 degree Fahrenheit, cough with mucus, severe chest pain or abdominal pain, swollen glands and ear pain, fatigability and irritability, and loss of appetite. Simple measures to prevent the above complaints are: the easiest is to use a mask, washing of hands and use of sanitizer, coughing and blowing the nose into a tissue or a handkerchief, washing our hands after coughing or sneezing, avoiding overcrowded places, and keeping a distance from someone close to you who is suffering from cough or cold, avoiding sharing of towels, handkerchief, tissues, or drinking glasses, consumption of fresh fruit and vegetables which are available locally, maintaining a proper hygiene, warm clothes, warm bath, and consumption of warm water, saline drops to avoid nasal blockage, lozenges and steam inhalation to avoid sore throat and headache, and to drink lot of water to keep yourself hydrated. Hope the above measures will help. Till we meet again, Merry Christmas and in advance, Happy New Year. Thank you.